Hi guys, back with Samantha Learn Spoken SInhala. Today I'm teaching you the part 2 of the use of ko word in Sinhala language. As I have explained before, when you use ko with the Sinhalese, that means that you are speaking like a native Sinhalese. So this word ko is very special when you use it in your conversations in an appropriate way. So that's why I'm teaching you some phrases where you can use the word ko and show to Sinhalese that you know Sinhala very well. So let's see what phrases you are learning today in this video. Ko Giyada. Ko Giyada. So let's see when to use this word ko with Giyada. Giyada means did you go? So, first of all, I thought about teaching the difference between Oya Giyada, Giyada, and Ko Giyada. So, you will learn when to use Oya Giyada properly and Giyada properly as a native and then Ko Giyada. So, you won't mix up when to use these words because in English it will just mean did you go? Did you go? But in Sinhala, in different occasions, we use this indifferently, but in English it means did you go? So let's see how to speak as a native, learning the differences between these phrases. Conversation 1. ඊයේ ගාල්ලේ මියුසිකල් ෂෝ එකක් තිබ්බා. ඊයේ ගාල්ලේ මියුසිකල් ෂෝ එකක් තිබ්බා. There was a musical show yesterday in Gaul. ඔයා ගියාද? ඔයා ගියාද? Did you go? Oh, Bhatia and Santosh ආවා. Oh, Bhatia and Santosh ආවා. Yes, Bhatia and Santosh came. අනේ දන්නවනම් මාත් එනවා. But that's not how you say it. අනේ දන්නවනම් මාත් එනවා. You say it අනේ දන්නවනම් මාත් එනවා. Like that. So that ane is the ane means like oh you missed it, you totally missed it, but you wish you could go, you wish you knew it so you could go, but you couldn't go and you are like oh if I knew I definitely come, if I know I definitely come. So it says ane dannawanam maath enawa, something like that. So now let's focus on the did you go? ඔයා ගියාද? Now at the very beginning of this video I said three ways to use this Giyada word, and so this one is ඔයා ගියාද? ඔයා ගියාද? In here you cannot just ask Giyada. Giyada, or you cannot say ko Giyada. It doesn't match here, so you definitely have to ask ඔයා ගියාද? ඔයා ගියාද? And next one, let's take an example for ගියාද, where you can use ඔයා ගියාද but you use ගියාද, only ගියාද. So let's see an example conversation where you can use only ගියාද. So next conversation is tell Dad to pick up your sister from school. තාත්තට කියන්න නංගිව ඉස්කෝලෙන් ගන්න කියලා. තාත්තට කියන්න නංගිව ඉස්කෝලෙන් ගන්න කියලා. And I say, okay. Huh. Huh. Then when I go and tell it to my dad, and then I come back, and then Mom asked me, Giyada, did you go? Giyada. Me? Yes. So there, Giyada, you can say air Giyada. He, she both means air. You can either say Giyada or air Giyada, or you can say Tata Giyada. Tata Giyada. Another sentence using Giyada. මං අර යන්න කිව්ව ක්ලාස් එකට ගියාද? මං අර යන්න කිව්ව ක්ලාස් එකට ගියාද? Did you go to that class I said? So you can see, did you go? The full translation would be ඔයා ගියාද? But in here, you don't have to say ඔයා. You can just ask ගියාද? මං යන්න කිව්ව ක්ලාස් එකට ගියාද? Can you go to the supermarket and buy this stuff? ඔයාට සුපර්මාකට් එකට ගිහින් මේවා අරන් එන්න පුළුවන්ද? ඕ සුපර්මාකට් එකට ගිහින් මේවා අරන් එන්න පුළුවන්ද? සුපර්මාකට් එකට ගිහින් මේවා අරන් එන්න පුළුවන්ද? The answer is yeah, sure. Or yes, I can. So in Sinhala, we would be saying ha පුළුවන්. It's like okay, I can. Ha පුළුවන්. Okay, here's the list and wait till I give money. හරි මෙන්න ලිස්ට් එක. ඔහොම ඉන්න මං සල්ලි දෙනකම්. හරි මෙන්න ලිස්ට් එක. ඔහොම ඉන්න මං සල්ලි දෙනකම්. හරි මෙන්න ලිස්ට් එක. ඔහොම ඉන්න මං සල්ලි දෙනකම්. You went to get your purse and come back. That person is not there. So he has gone. Now you come out and you check around and you ask, Ko Giyada? Ko Giyada? And when you say Ko Giyada, you are searching all around. As you, if he is still there somewhere, you are just turning your head around and seeing and checking if that person has really gone. So when you use ko, as I have already said in my previous video, most of the times when you use ko, you are just turning your head around and seeking for something, for someone. So so you can see the difference in this ko Giyada, in this video, ko Giyada, Giyada, wa Giyada. So the other conversations didn't have your head turning around and seeking for something or someone. They were just having the conversation, but in this case, you are really searching for him. Ko Giyada, like that. And let's say if somehow you used only Giyada in this conversation, let's say you use only Giyada. And what you will be doing is, you come out and you ask Giyada, and that's all. You just don't wait for a reply, you just don't seek around, you just think, okay, he's gone, so fine, and you go inside back. So that's the difference in Giyada and Ko Giyada. In Ko Giyada has a really good chance that you are really searching, and probably you will find that person somewhere, maybe still there, because you really want them not to go and to give that money. But when you say Giyada, you just come and ask Giyada, okay, I don't care if you don't want money, you can go and buy from your money. So like that. Okay, let's learn some of phrases along with some conversations in our next lesson in the use of word core part 3. Until then, study hard and practice with your friends, and come to Sri Lanka and surprise Sri Lankans. So don't forget to like, comment and share these videos with your friends who like to learn spoken Sinhala and who is willing to visit Sri Lanka in the near future. So you can help them by sharing these videos and helping them learn the language in Sri Lanka.